bowfin. Yep. And that's a good one too. Dang. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Okay, so I was Google mapping and I found a new spot. This looks pretty cool. It's a little park here in Wilmington. I don't know, I have my kayak. I don't know if I can get my kayak in there though. I need to go down and look, but I think to start off with, I'm gonna throw a frog. This looks super froggy. See if I can't get some hits on the frog, and then we'll look for a place to launch kayak. There's a spot over there that looks like I might be able to get down to with the kayak, but I don't know. We'll just have to look and see. But yeah, I'm really excited. It says public water access, but I don't know if that means just you can fish here or if that means that you can actually launch. But I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I'm excited. I love fishing new places, and this looks super bassy. Like super bassy. There's an old train trestle. I don't know if that's still used or not. It looks, the track itself looks fresh. I don't know. But I'm not going to catch anything if I don't get out here and fish. Look at that plane. It's pretty cool. Anyway, let's go. Wow. We're pretty close to the airport, by the way. Alright, y'all. I can 100% get my kayak down right here. This will work. It's a little mushy down here, but not a big deal. Used to getting wet when I get in and out of that thing anyway. We can totally get our, I'm gonna try this spire here. Totally get our kayak down here. Alright, so I don't know if y'all have ever noticed or not, but when I'm rigging up at a place like this, especially here in North Carolina, if you're on the coast here, you can pretty much guarantee there are, even though you can't see them, I bet you there are at least like 4 gators up and down here. There's one over here that I saw pop up a little bit ago, but I usually keep my kayak right there in between me and the water. That way there's like a buffer there just in case I need to, bail that way if it's a big gator. But anyway, I'm almost done getting loaded up here. I just gotta get my seat connected and then we'll launch. Not the worst launch. I could bring my truck over by those posts right there, and then I came down this slope right here, and it's going to be a muddy launch, but not the worst launch I've ever had. Alright, I see minnows popping, so let's get after it. Alright, y'all, so I got these to try. They're black and blue blazing worms by Guggen Baits. They should be pretty good. They're speed worms. I thought those would work really well today where I'm fishing, especially with the darker water. Rig one of these up, get the kayak launched, and go catch. Oh yeah, they smell like the Guggen Baits lures. The slaunch sauce, I think is what it is, right? Pretty sure. Patent pending. Yeah, slaunch sauce. Anyway, I'm seeing them pop, so that's a good sign. It wasn't supposed to rain today, but there's a rain cloud right there. So I don't know. Okay, so we got to figure out if we want the tail down or up. I'm going to go with this way. And I got a 1/4 ounce bullet weight rigged on there. And then I have it pegged, of course. Alright, that looks pretty good. Weedless. Toss it around some vegetation. We'll be good to go. There's one. Little bass. First one of the trip. Get him out of the water. get you out of the water so that gator doesn't come and get you. There we go. First bass. See ya, bud. He's right on the other side of that. Oh man, look. That's awesome. Wheel. Let's see if this thing works without the flippy tail on it. There's one. That's a little better. A little better. Yeah, I hear you. A little better. Be careful dangling them over the water like that. That's just asking for. Alright, well, he is free. Let me know when you're done. He flipped in the net. It's awesome. Stick that right there. Flipped right in the net. That's a chunky bass right there. Chunky chunk. See ya. That's a bowfin right there. Popping up after something. Chunky bass. Chunky flippy bass. Well, speedworm works so well that you don't even have to have the tail that makes it a speedworm. You can just fish it straight up. Bowfin. Yep. And that's a good one too. Dang. Alright, come here, you slimy critter. Yep, get it out of your system. Well, he didn't take my worm like the bass did, so I brought my boga grips because fishing a dark river in North Carolina, so I'll worry about that after. Worry about that after I get this out of your grill. Yep, well, there's the first one. Dang. Stop. Alright. Great. Jeez. These things are mean. Well, we are presented with a choice here. We can go that way, which takes us further. I think that would be more creek. What a mullet. That would be more creek. I think this way would actually take us more towards the saltwater. I think. That's a tough call. I need to think on it. Hey look, Jess, there's a train. I bet you a gar grabbed my... That stinks. Just put that worm on. I bet you a gar grabbed it. Alright y'all, I switched over to a bandito bug. Maybe they'll be less likely to eat the tail off of this. I'll just grab the claws off. But maybe the gar won't hit it. Yeah, so I haven't figured out what this is. So there's a wall right here. I see a fence up there. It's a gate. I wonder if that's somebody's property, like private property. That's weird. I don't know I can't make out what that is over there. Okay, well, apparently, okay, there's a car. I just saw a car. There's a 50-gallon drum right there that looks like maybe a trash can. Somebody's using it for a trash can. There's a smoker over there. And then there are chairs stacked up. I wonder, somebody must come down here. I don't know if that's private property, but somebody must come down here and fish and stuff. Right there's a pile of wood. That's a huge pile of wood. Somebody comes down here and hangs out. Huh. It's interesting. What is it? Oh, shoot. That's nice. How do you hook a... Did I hook? Yep, I hooked them. Alright, well. It's the first time I've ever... Alright. No. You're gonna get net them that way. Okay, well, I hooked a gar. I'm still gonna use the bogey grips. Okay. Oh, the boga's working. Just gonna cut this. He shredded it anyway. God, that thing stinks. Alright, so my hook is down in there. There we go. Well, there he is. And there it goes. Can't believe I caught a gar on a damn plastic worm. Oh well, at least I got him out of my boat. At least he wasn't like a 5-footer. I've seen some big ones. Just got bullet weight. Oh, he had a louse on him too. Oh, that's nice. Let's get those out of my boat. So that's a louse, little parasite. Put it back in the water. Is there any more? Oh, we're good. Well, okay, well, we caught a gar. What a day. Alright y'all, we really need to get back into bass territory. Hopefully, I got a big bend to go around up here. Hopefully we find some bass. I don't want to catch any more gar. That was horrible. But I'm gonna keep going. I'm about, I don't know. If the tide was going back in, then I'm probably about a 30-minute paddle. Probably about a 30-minute paddle. don't know if I could see that on video or not, but I'm gonna check. If I can, that's pretty cool. But anyway, we're gonna keep going and see if we can't find something. That's a good bass right there. Good little Cape Fear River bass. Good God. There's some fight in it. Alright, y'all. That's it for today. Got the kayak up. Look, that was the boat ramp this morning, or the launch. Now the water's all the way up, so there's like nowhere to walk down to. But anyway, I'm gonna get this loaded up. That's it for today. That was a lot of fun. I love exploring new places. Absolutely love it. I'm definitely gonna be coming back here a lot. Really, really cool. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe down below, and make sure that you like the video if you like the video. Comment down below. I love reading the comments, and I will catch y'all next time. Take care.